for their very first day of their strike. Now, many telling me today they're hoping it's the last, but at this point, there are no talks planned to work out a deal to get more than 380 Strongsville Education Association members back to work and back into the classroom. Now, the teachers out here behind me have been here since about 6:30 this morning, and they had some company, as they do right now. Some students came out here a little bit earlier this morning to support the teachers and brave the cold with them. Now, I asked them why, and here's what they told me.
I want to support, quality teachers in the classroom, because without them, it's just bad. You just can't learn very well. We know the subs aren't really that great, so we want to have good teachers.
Now, we wanted to give you guys a closer look at what their signs actually said that those boys were holding. They said, "Need a Band-Aid for the scabs," of course, referring to the substitute teachers that are filling in for the teachers out here picketing right now. And as I said, they said they will be out here braving the cold, any weather that comes this week, until a resolution is reached. Live in Strongsville, on your side, Terrence Lee, News Channel 5.
Many thanks for your report, Terrence. And by the way, there have also been several tweets from inside Strongsville High School by students. This is a snapshot from one of the classrooms. Stay with News Channel 5 and NewsNet5.com for continuing updates on strike coverage. We plan to be in Strongsville all day. Plus, go to our Facebook page to tell us what you think of the strike decision.